this year, we've had significant storms in our region, but one man in Kanawha County is still dealing with the effects from the first snowstorm of the year.
Yes, he lost this trailer after a giant tree destroyed it. And Anna Saunders shows us how he's dealing with those impacts.
Well, this damage here actually comes from the snowstorm we had back in January, and here we are 3 months later, and it's even gotten worse. But the homeowner will tell you it's not from a lack of trying.
Yeah, where that green chair is that you can see leaning back, that's where I was sitting probably 5 seconds before that tree came down.
Kevin Workman, who used to live here along Quick Road in the Pinch area, says getting up to get a cup of coffee on that snowy January 6th morning possibly saved his life. It was traumatic and shocking then. He says now to see it, it's just sickening.
I literally get sick to my stomach.
And that's because the cleanup process has been stressful and confusing for Workman. And this isn't his first go around. He had just put a new roof on his trailer after trees from that same property behind his house fell on it in 2022. It was fixable then, but not this time.
Tired, physically, mentally, not knowing, not getting proper answers.
He was initially told to not touch the property until an insurance adjuster has been out there, but getting one out there has been a challenge, even figuring out who is responsible, getting the runaround from insurance companies and attorneys. Workman has been in contact with Farmers Insurance as they cover the property owner who has the trees. He says he's been told it's not their responsibility, but then the next day another person will say that they will be out there to take care of it. Farmers Insurance did not respond to our request for clarity.
And I do not know what to do other than to keep praying, and that's the only thing I can say that really gotten me through it.
The roof has only continued to cave, and for Workman, who is also awaiting a heart transplant, he says his stress has only continued to worsen.
It's not much, but it's all I had, and just devastated,
Now, Workman's nephew has set up a GoFundMe page for him. You can find a link to that over on our website. In Kanawha County, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.